Happy good morning!
Good morning!
Hey Sunny, today I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy hanging flower baskets. Perfect for May Day or Mother's Day.
Wow, that's coming up soon. We better get started.
For our first basket, we'll need a piece of cardstock. I'm using a gingham pattern. Begin by shaping it into a cone. Because I'm using pattern paper, I have to be sure to line up the print to match. Next, we'll draw a line on the inside of our cone and cut off the corner. Roll your paper back into a cone shape. I'm using a glue gun to secure the paper into place. Gently press your cone down, being sure not to crease the sides. Now let's trim the top and make an even cut. We're going to add trim to the top of our cone, just like we did for our gnome hats. To watch our video on how to make Valentine's Day gnomes, check out the link in the description box below. Once you glue on the trim, we're ready for our next step. You'll need some twine for this one. Here you can see I'm braiding some strands of twine. This is the difference between 3 strands and 6 strands. I like the 6-strand braid one better, so we're going to use that one to decorate our cone. For the final look, let's use a glue gun to secure our braid to our cone.
I just love the handle.
Me too, Sunny. Lastly, let's add some pretty posies. For basket number 2, we're going to use a solo cup. You'll also need a pipe cleaner or some ribbon for the handle and a strip of paper in a decorative pattern. I just love this little strawberry one that I found. This one's so easy to put together. Just use your glue gun to apply the paper to the cup. I'm tucking my paper into the very top edge. This is what it looks like when it's all done. If you're doing this project with kids, pipe cleaners make a perfect handle. But we're going to take this a step further and we're going to make a decorative ribbon handle. I'm using about a yard of ribbon. Fold your ribbon in half and cross the right strand over the left. You should have a loop at the top and your ribbon should be crossed. Start on the right hand side. Loop the ribbon with your pointer finger. Push your new loop through the original loop. With your left hand, gently pull the left strand of the ribbon. Be sure to hold your new loop in your right hand. Now start on the left hand side by looping the ribbon around your left index finger. Push this new loop through the existing loop. With your right hand, gently pull the right strand down. Repeat this process of weaving the loops together. Remember to gently pull and secure your ribbon into place after each weave. After several repetitions, check to make sure your ribbon pattern looks similar to this. Make adjustments of loosening or tightening your ribbon so you have an even pattern repeated throughout. When you reach the end of both strands, pass the unlooped right side strand through the existing loop. Pull to tighten. On the left hand side, tuck the ribbon behind the single strand sticking out. Now flip over your ribbon pattern. Tuck in the loose strands. Glue to secure on the back side. This is what your handle should look like when it's all done.
Wow, that's so cool!
Thanks, Sunny! Using a glue gun, attach the ribbon handle to the solo cup. Finally, add some fragrant flowers of your choice. We'll make basket number 3 out of a small plastic container. I'm using an empty sour cream cup. You'll also need some tissue paper and some matching ribbon. I'm using green. Place your cup in the center of the tissue paper. Now gather all 4 edges of the paper and use the ribbon to hold the tissue paper into place.
Edible for cuteness!
Fluff your tissue paper and trim up any unevenness. Lastly, be sure to add some sweet-smelling blooms. We'll use the small green ribbon for the handle using our glue gun to secure the ribbon into place. Let's see how they all turned out. Sprucing up your home will be so much fun with these sweet spring flower bouquets. These darling little baskets are a perfect May Day gift. Deliver one to the door of your family, friends, or favorite neighbor. There are so many ways to decorate and make each container as unique as the person you're gifting it to. For Mother's Day, your mom will surely love to see these handsome hanging baskets on her door. You can even add a fresh flower bouquet. We hope you have a sweet, charming day, and we'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas.
Happy crafting!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.